Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to use the if controller in Apache JMeter. Let's start by adding a thread group and an HTTP request sampler to our test plan. Here I'm going to specify google.com in the server name. Next, add a regular expression extractor and select response code under field to check. For the variable name, I'm going to specify var_response_code and $* in parentheses for regular expression. I'm going to specify 1 and 1 for the group number and the match number. Next, let's add an if controller and specify a condition to check. Here I'm saying if the var_response_code is equal to 200, then execute whatever is inside the if controller. Inside the if controller, I'm going to add another HTTP request to search for the keyword JMeter on google.com. Finally, let's add a view results tree listener. Our test setup is now complete. Let's click on the green start button to execute our test. Since the response code on the main HTTP request was 200, seems like our if controller worked as expected. Watch what happens if I change the response code to 300 from 200 in the if condition. This time, when I reran the test, the HTTP request within the if controller did not execute. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.